Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shadowban on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shadowban on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to CapCut and you can click. As you see in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about CapCut. You can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.